Good afternoon, guys. We are here to find out the solution of SH problem statement. Firstly, we will understand what is the problem statement. In our problem statement, we have to find out the continuity of earthing. Then we have to find out the leakage current amount. Then at the last, we have to monitor the earth resistance of light poles. As the location mentioned in our problem statement is parking area and station area. At the light poles in that particular area. Hence, firstly we will analyze how the earthing is done in the street light poles. As you can see here, the earth wire is simply connected from the metallic pad and it is continuously going downward to the earth. Now we will firstly find out what are the standard values of the earth resistance using the earth tester. Then we will calibrate them with from the method that we are implementing in our solution in order to monitor the earth resistance. Let's see what we are.
Pole, this is his earthing. So we have connected our clamp to this earthing rod. So this is the wire which is going to the earth tester. So this is the earth tester which measures the resistance of earth. So here it has total 4 terminals. One is the through which current will go through that electrode. Then a second one is a potential, and this two one here it is for current and potential measurement. So here from here after 15 meters we have placed first rod, and after 30 meters we have the second rod. So from there P2 from the point P2 to this point we measure the potential difference, and from point C2 to this rod we measure current. And as all of you know the relation between resistance and current. Resistance is equal to voltage upon current. So this calculation will be done in this earth tester, and it will show us the reading which is the resistance of the earth. So we start our process. As we are seeing that it shows the 2 ohm resistance which is less than the standard value, which means our earth resistance is right.
Electrode. Basically, we are using earth tester for measurement of resistance, and as you can see that we are getting the approximate reading that is around 2 ohm, which is less than standard mentioned by IE standards. Okay, and basically we are trying to calibrate our method. We are focusing on 2 parameters, voltage and current. By measuring the voltage and current parameters, we are going to calculate the resistance, and that resistance we are comparing with the conventional method, that is earth tester, and we are going to calibrate those values. And by calculating those values, we will compare how much our developed circuit or kit is actually works.